Hi guys, hi everybody, and welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Our apartment here leads straight to the KL Tower. It's actually called Chowkit. We stayed here last time. It is very near to to Masjid India, right? Anyway, so we have a different little apartment. Hey guys. Little studio loft apartment. It is a little, but it is good enough for us. See here, this is actually a sofa we have extended to a bed. There's a bed. There's a bed. We're doing okay. Here we eat. Here we watch Netflix. Here we play guitar. Here we look into the mirror, and there we cook. We do all of our cooking, and I might be even doing some cooking video while looking into the mirror. You know, it feels like home here, really. We've stayed here 3 months ago before going to Sri Lanka, but not on this floor. Now we're staying on a different floor. All right, anyway, it is good to be back, right? Chinese New Year in a few days. You can see lots of those inside of the city. Guys, it's good to be back in KL.
Right.
This. What? There's the Merdeka 118, the KL Tower, and the Petrus Towers. And they go KL go printing. Yeah, alright guys. By the way, this is the High Commissioner for the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Right? Yeah, it feels good to be back in Malaysia. It feels good to be back in Kuala Lumpur, actually. We just love this place, this city, which we find one of the best in the world to stay for a while. So that is what we will do. We will be staying for a while here to, come to terms and what is going on, what will happen, and where will we go in the light of the new corona restrictions in Thailand and in India. So we thought this pandemic is over, but it seems not to be entirely over, right? It's a Sunday. This being a parking lot that is full usually, it's interesting to see it empty. So this video being just a shout out to be telling that we're back and that we're happy to be back, and we did have an okay time in Sri Lanka, which is a beautiful country with it has lots of positive vibes, lots of positive things that up to it. But still happy to be back here. Sri Lanka was also a little bit exhausting at times, and yeah, there was lots of not only good things, but pretty happy to be back now. And we spent 3 months there, so now we arrived and we got a 3 months visa on arrival. Well, it's not actually a visa on arrival, it's a visa exempt. I mean, me personally have been coming to Malaysia for almost 25 years. Well, maybe a little bit exaggerated, but almost, yes. And my kids have been coming here for 5 years already, and yeah, they consider this like their second home. Although we don't have a first home, but we are from Switzerland. But here feels very good. So it's always good to spend time here while thinking of what to do next. We are considering making this our base in Asia, but actually we have made it our base in Asia a while ago actually. But yeah, we're not going to get the second home visa program in Malaysia, simply because it's too expensive. You know, we're too poor for that. Well, you know, so we'll have to come back and stay 3 months and go away, and you know, maybe come back again. Yeah, so far I have not seen a country that makes this so easy. Yes, I have just wanted to say that, reporting back on duty, and I will be showing quite a few videos here in KL and, you know, Malaysia, but particularly KL, with lots of food videos coming up. Of course, exploration videos, not only food videos, right? Hey girlie, say hello. Hello. Slow. Gongshi Fa Chai, but not for a few days. Of course, they have built that rabbit statue for the coming Chinese New Year already. Oh yeah, welcome to KLCC Park. I did make a video before, but this is always like one of the places that we go pretty soon after arriving in Kuala Lumpur, because of the Petronas Towers, right? And the nice park. So the last time I made a video about this park, the water park was closed because it was a Monday. Hey! Today being Sunday, it's quite full, of course. But doesn't matter. Just visit briefly, really. Also not supposed to be bathing here. Three best friends that anybody could have. Three best friends that anybody could have. Hey, hey. So very obviously happy to be back in Malaysia. And it comes close to being our favorite country, right? Or one of them at least. We've not discovered the world yet, but we will. Don't worry. You follow us, we'll show you. It's funny, usually I like old stuff. Like some of you may know who's been following me for a while, but this is quite new and I like it. I like this park. I don't know, because it means green, because it means good air, because it means recreation. I'm not sure, but I like it. But of course, this is just a new beginning. I will be showing you, lots of the parts of KL and maybe Malaysia that you've not seen yet. Maybe some exciting food spots as well. I mean, Sri Lanka is good food, right? Don't get me wrong. But Malaysia is food heaven, right? I have actually never had so many good meals like in this country. Although I do like food in other countries too, you know. But this is like the top of the line, right? Like when it comes to cheese. It's very cool. Wow, wow. Yeah, anyway. Well, you know, your first walk around the old city that you know. Not this one, this is not old at all. Hello. And people start recognizing me here again. Well, actually, they did in Sri Lanka too. Not so much though, I must say. Anyway, so these are all the places where I'll never eat. Because they're costly, I must say. And not very, you know, I told you before, I like old stuff and traditional stuff. You know, walk by it, you know. I like to see sometimes, you know, what, this actually smells of coffee. Very interesting. It's very pungent. Anyway, I like to, you know, roam around, you know, show the kids, you know, different kinds of life. Golden rabbit. Anyway, guys, so this is basically just to inform you that Moonshine is back in town. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It is just a thing. Quite fancy, this place here. Maybe I'm not sure if I'll show you a proper video about these malls. Nah, maybe boring, I'm not sure. But it's cool, huh? The pavilion. It's some kind of a... Oh, wow, yeah, cool. This is all about the Chinese New Year here. Check out the phones and the dragon, if that is a dragon at all. Or is it a lion? I'm not sure. It's already everything about the Chinese New Year. I'll be showing you a video of the actual Chinese New Year, and then there will be the Thaipusam, Lok Murugan's celebration, and you know, lots of other things anyway. Alright guys, that's it for this video, alright? I'll see you in my next video, or you see me. Bye bye. And you woke up? Bye. Bye bye. Go back to sleep if you want.